Market Square in Poznan is finally finished, or nearly finished, because it still has some works ongoing, but overall it's nearly completed. And it's beautiful, beautiful weather. It's no spring, but it feels like a spring, end of February 2024, and more people every single day coming here to explore, making pictures, and just simply enjoy the Market Square here in Poznan. After 2 years of break of the never-ending construction, renovation and everything, finally everything is going back to normal, and before summertime definitely everything will be 100% operating. And today I'm here to show you a little bit what's going on. Overall, another video from Poznan. I hope so you're gonna enjoy it. There in the background is the cathedral here in Poznan. There's some museum over here. There is some radio station or TV stations doing some giving away free tickets to the Lech Poznan if you're gonna do the 5 shots here and everything. So it's actually pretty cool. Life is slowly going to any kind of normal, and anything is going to be improved, and the tourist industry and everything here in Poznan gonna come back, and overall the life in Poznan gonna come back, because it was pretty sad actually for when I was the renovation for 2 years, and then just waiting for the summer stuff, and will be really cool summer holidays. Actually 1 more month, like I said on the previous video in Vilda, in less than 1 month there will be already calendar spring, and the weather it's already feels like a spring, so everything seems like it's going to be just more brighter and more optimistic. By the way, all the time it was very optimistic, but it's gonna be even better, which is very important. And I can see a lot of people from all around the world actually coming already in February, as you can see actually. Also very cool about the old market squares everywhere in Poland, in the major cities, bigger and smaller ones, but especially in the bigger ones, and everywhere on the bottom floor, on the ground floor of those buildings. They are on the top of the apartments obviously, but on the bottom they are restaurants, mostly restaurants, sometimes other institutions. And during the summer a lot of many of them they putting away the tables and the chairs and the kind of parks, beer parks and everything. So it's very cool and very enjoyable actually to walk and enjoy your coffee or drink or anything like this one. So it's gonna be even more and more brighter. Some photographer here making pictures of the brand new renovation stuff here. There's still some ongoing works going, but only some of them. This one, museum of the Powstania Wielkopolskiego, is just recently open. So more and more things actually coming up soon. So it's very cool. This guy definitely will go on before summertime, but that's good, as they are working hard. Even it's Saturday when I'm filming it right now. So easier, quicker they're gonna work, easier they're gonna finish, and it will be easier, more enjoyable. I can see already as spring is coming, more and more interesting people, and there are already some people doing something interesting, cool here. Not sure what's going on, but cool. This is actually cool, very cool indeed. This is how does it look like over here. Been filming here like regularly every month, but I think this is the most hotspot location in the whole entire Poznan, like in many other cities. So that's it. It will be probably a place where the cars cannot allow. There's little castle also, you can get inside to the top of the hill over there if you would like to. And then there is also a few nice restaurants over here. Actually I think, yeah, over there, I will show you. This is like a little street here. I didn't film last time. Somewhere here in the corner there's spaghetti bar Piccolo. Also over here a lot of international food in Poznan. You can find Poznan, basically the top 5 cities, right? Poznań, Wrocław, Kraków, Gdańsk and Warsaw. You can find a lot of good quality international food on every single corner, especially in the city center. Here we go. So many restaurants, and I think this smaller street is the place where I should go. Here you go. The entrance to the castle over there, and also here there are some nice restaurants. This one is the Pierogarnia Stary Młyn. This is the pierogi, old windmill name if we translate. And some Cacao Republica, also very nice coffee shop. A lot of cozy, nice places everywhere around with the old school European vibe. and more people and tourists in general are coming, even in February. But also this is one of the cheapest months and one of the most quietest months in Europe to travel in general. Here we go. Actually, like I said, quite a lot of tourists from Asia I can see. So a lot of interesting stuff is going and ongoing. On the top of it, maybe you don't know, but the Poznan is one of the cheapest places to visit if we are talking about the big cities in Poland. For the tourists, that's why a lot of British people, German people, Dutch people, and overall even Asian people coming to Poland, to Poznan. Especially if you're coming from Asia, it's good to visit top 5 cities, what I mentioned previously. But if you are coming for just quick weekend, especially if you're coming from UK or something, a lot of people choosing Poznan, especially as Poznan and Gdańsk is the closest one, so you can have a flight for like 20 pounds, 30 pounds and come here within 2 hours. So it's like just pretty good deal, and plenty of bars here. Those people like bars. I'm going back to Półwiejska Street, which is actually where the sun is facing. That's why I already make this shot, what I'm gonna show you soon. But also on the other side of the street there's St. Martin Street. This is the place where you can go, and there you can find so many very nice hotels. At the beginning there's the Hampton by Hilton and the Dawn Prestige. But also if you go more deeper now, more into downtown, where is the central train station and bus station, you can find the Mercure in Poznan and Sheraton and Mercure on the Roosevelt Street. So a lot of things is going on, but also a lot of people today on Półwiejska Street, on the walking street, what I'm gonna show you now. We are going now on Półwiejska Street. This is the walking street, this is the Garbary. A lot of things is going on. It's Saturday noon actually. It's like quite a lot of people today working. Actually there's the gap right now, but in general beautiful weather. Is around 12 degrees, like I mentioned previously. It's actually beautiful weather. This is walking street here, going to the Market Square, which is actually going all the time straight. A lot of interesting here businesses here, also apartments on the top. Yeah, and this is it. Actually closer to summer, closer to spring, more and more enjoyable is going to be, and going to be outside. This is without any doubts, that's for sure. So happy as the summer is coming, and so happy as Winnie also will come on the good right time. That's why she has to skip this winter, but next winter she will experience. But I believe her impression with the weather, more warmer and more sunny days, will be definitely better than just the winter time. And more things are going out, even like souvenirs style and everything. Slowly everything is getting better. The Stary Marek is here. Sun is facing the Półwiejska Street, what I already filmed. Have to cross the street. No trams right here right now. The police car here for the safety. Car from Belarus, I don't know what they are doing here. The plane landing. Actually the plane is 6 kilometers from here, so you can watch the planes. Dawn Prestige Hotel and Hampton by Hilton over there, and quite more and more people are out, like I said. But the weather is just really beautiful here today, end of the school winter holidays actually last weekend. And yeah, this is what's going on. Old town is over there. Only this building is still under the renovation, but they're gonna be finished soon, hopefully, because in the city center. But this is it, going there to the old Market Square. So definitely, as you can see, the vibes are changing for better. It's more optimistic, more vibrant, and just more cool and more beautiful here in Poznan, in Poland in general. And also Półwiejska Street, which is the walking street, is famous for so many nice restaurants and the shopping options here. So thanks so much for listening, watching, and as always, I will see you on next video, this time from Poland.